In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your Shopify store, focusing specifically on handling orders and payment settings. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to streamline your online store management, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and effectively. So, let's get started by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main homepage labeled as My Store. This is your control hub where you can manage every facet of your online shop. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space, as it's where you'll perform most of your daily tasks. Now let's focus on managing your orders. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar with several options. Click on Orders. This is where all your customer orders will appear, allowing you to keep track of order statuses, manage returns, and more. If you haven't received any orders yet, that's okay. They'll show up right here as soon as they start coming in. It's important to check this section regularly to ensure you're on top of your business operations and delivering excellent customer service. Once you've familiarized yourself with the orders section, let's move on to an equally crucial part of running an online store: payments. One of the keys to a successful e-commerce operation is ensuring that your payment methods are set up correctly. Navigate to the Settings option, located at the bottom of the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of settings options. From here, head over to Payments. This section is where you can configure your payment gateways and methods. It's essential to offer a variety of payment options to accommodate different customer preferences, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially increasing sales. If at any point you encounter issues with payment setups or other aspects of store management, it's reassuring to know that help is readily available. Within the Payments section, you'll find an option for Supported Payment Methods. Use this to ensure that the methods you wish to offer are compatible with Shopify. However, if you find you're unable to resolve an issue on your own, don't hesitate to visit the Shopify Help Center. There's a direct link available within the payment settings, allowing you to quickly reach out for assistance. Finally, when reaching out for help, make sure to clearly type out your concerns, such as pending payment issue. Providing detailed descriptions will help the support team to assist you more efficiently and get your store back to operating smoothly. By following these steps, you'll have a well-managed Shopify store equipped to handle orders and process payments seamlessly. Thank you for tuning in, and I wish you the best of luck with your Shopify journey.